Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Vibes. Today, we're diving into a car that has stirred massive anticipation across the automotive world. The all-new 2026 Mazda RX-8. After years of speculation, rumors, and concept teasers, Mazda has finally brought back the legendary RX-8, this time with a revolutionary blend of heritage and innovation. This isn't just a reboot. It's a rebirth of everything enthusiasts loved about the original, modernized for a new era. At first glance, the new RX-8 is a visual statement. It remains unmistakably Mazda thanks to the brand's signature Kodo design language, but it takes the styling to another level. The body is lower, sleeker, and more aggressive than ever, with sculpted fenders, sharp LED lighting elements, and a coupe-like silhouette that screams performance. The front fascia is defined by a wide, black tout, grille flanked by slim headlights, while the rear gets quad exhaust outlets and a subtle integrated spoiler. Mazda fans will be thrilled to know the RX-8 retains its signature freestyle doors, rear hinged half doors that add character and practicality, refined with modern engineering to enhance safety and usability. The interior is a driver's playground. Everything is built around the pilot, from the deep bucket seats to the layout of the controls. Premium Alcantara and leather materials wrap the seats and dashboard, while a digital instrument cluster provides performance data with razor-sharp clarity. The steering wheel is smaller, thicker, and fitted with paddle shifters if you choose. The automatic transmission, a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen, handles infotainment duties, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new Rotary-specific performance telemetry system. The cabin strikes the perfect balance between sporty minimalism and luxury, with intuitive controls and physical switches exactly where you want them. Underneath the hood lies the true magic of the 2026 RX-8 twin-rotor SkyActiv-R rotary engine, brought back to life and paired with an electric hybrid system. This powertrain is a game-changer, producing an estimated 400 horsepower while delivering the distinctive higher-revving, smooth rotary character fans remember. Unlike older rotaries, this one is cleaner, more efficient, and supported by modern tech that addresses the shortcomings of the past, namely fuel economy and emissions. The hybrid setup adds torque at low RPMs and fills in the gaps of the rotary's power band, making it responsive at all speeds. The powertrain is mounted behind the front axle for an ideal front mid-engine layout, helping the RX-8 achieve nearly perfect 50-50 weight distribution. Rear-wheel drive is standard, and buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic. The manual is pure joy to use, with short, snappy throws and a precise clutch, truly a dying breed in today's market. Suspension-wise, it's all new. Mazda employs adaptive dampers, lightweight double wishbones up front, and a multi-link rear setup, allowing the RX-8 to carve corners with surgical precision. Torque, vectoring, and an electronic limited slip differential help put the power down cleanly, especially when exiting tight bends. On the road, early test drives report a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 4.5 seconds, solidly in line with sports cars in the $50,000 bracket. But more impressive than raw speed is the way the RX-8 drives. The steering is quick and communicative. The chassis is stiff yet composed, and the rotary engine sings all the way up to a stratospheric red line. It's a visceral experience that's hard to replicate in today's turbocharged world. And thanks to the electric assist, the RX-8 can also glide through city traffic in near silence when needed. With an electric-only mode for short-range efficiency, fuel economy is another area where the RX-8 surprises. Thanks to regenerative braking, hybrid power assist, and advanced thermal management, the car delivers a combined average close to 30 mpg unheard of for a rotary engine. The battery pack is small but efficient, mounted low in the chassis too. Avoid interfering with interior space or balance. There's also a plug-in version rumored to be in development, allowing for short-range electric-only commuting for those in urban environments. Safety and technology are fully modern. Mazda's full iActiv suite is on board, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system helps with tight maneuvering, while high-strength steel and multiple airbags ensure top-tier crash protection. Drivers can also access Mazda's connected services for remote diagnostics, navigation updates, and smartphone integration via the My Mazda app. The RX-8's resurrection wasn't born in a vacuum. It follows years of concept vehicles and teasers, like the RX Vision and the iconic SP concept. These models hinted at Mazda's plan to bring back rotary power, but few believed they would actually pull it off in a production model. Yet here it is, the final result of nearly a decade of research, testing, and refinement. The RX-8's return also signals Mazda's commitment to maintaining driver engagement in an increasingly automated world. It's not just about numbers or performance, it's about feel, character, and the unique joy of rotary power. Pricing for the 2026 RX-8 is expected to start at around $42,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching into the low to mid $50 VOC South. That positions it squarely against cars like the Toyota GR Supra, Nissan Z, and even entry-level Porsche Cayman variants. But unlike most of its competitors, the RX-8 offers a unique engine layout, practical 2+2 seating, and hybrid innovation all in one package. For rotary enthusiasts, this car is a dream come true. For newcomers, it's an opportunity to experience something different in a sea of sameness. The RX-8 doesn't just perform, it captivates, drawing you in with its sound, balance, and bold engineering. It's a reminder that driving can still be emotional, mechanical, and fun even in the age of electrification. That's all for today's episode on Car Vibes. If you love cars that dare to be different, the 2026 Mazda RX-8 should definitely be on your radar. Let us know in the comments if you'd go manual or automatic, and what color you'd spec yours in. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more deep dives, and hit the bell so you never miss a vibe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep it locked right here and keep those engines spinning.